got the gunmetal drain. We got them out today. And the Batmobile. Got my son and my girl. And they say, what's up, Bubby? You ready to start it up? You gonna rev, and I'm gonna let you know when I say you. You got something to say, big slurping Gert?
Yeah, come on, nigga.
Yeah. Oompa Thoompa. Hold on. Just got the pipes done. We were here what they sound like. This one got a mid-muff delete. On this one, the 19. Scat, SRT. This the 17 SRT right here. We just got the mid-muff delete, resignated delete, and the 5-inch tip pipes. You get your fist in them bad boys right there. Yeah, these will be next. We're gonna do these easy. They ain't that big, yeah. Hold on, Bubby. Lock, go ahead, lock. Not tight. Yeah, you heard that? That bad boy loud. I'm out. All right, Bubby. Lie, hit it. Alright. That's enough for today. Bubby, no. Go ahead and get in the car with her. We'll be back. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get some more footage here in a minute. We're gonna go clean them up.